All right, so real quick top speed drive-by. There you go. That's it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Racent RCS24 Jeep Crawler. This is a pretty cool little car, comparable to the 1/24th scale FMS vehicles for about half the price. This Jeep here is about $95, and the FMS ones I think are like $165 or something like that. Very comparable. The lights actually work when you go left and right. The left blinker goes on, right blinker goes on. Pretty cool little truck. Battery goes inside. Body's held on with 4 pins. We'll look at that stuff a little bit more as we go. Right now we only have, I don't know, a couple of these in stock on the website, but for Black Friday and Christmas, if you purchase one of these, they're going to come with a 3D printed little obstacle course for free. So we're going to throw that in the box and ship it on out. So I'll show you real quick how this thing goes. It's not like the fastest thing in the world. It's not meant to be. It's a crawler. It's a 4-wheel drive crawler. So a lot of fun. Great little car. Comes with everything ready to run right out of the box. So great suspension. So let's do some testing on it and show you what it looks like. All right. Thanks for watching. So these are the clips that hold on the body underneath. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. There's the battery. There's the receiver, 4-wheel drive, the motor, the gearbox, and then the LED lights. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You got to take it off to put the battery in it. It's pretty nicely made. Got a nice amount of suspension travel. I have seen some upgrade kits and stuff like that, so I'm sure you can swap out and do all kinds of stuff to this if you really want to. Alright, so let's get it together and do some testing. Alright, so these are the little obstacles that we're including. Comes with 2 sets. They're pretty cool. Little fun, little crawling fun. They have some hot glue on the bottom so you can use them on tables and slippery surfaces so they don't slip around. And they work pretty good. So before we do that, I'll just show you real quick top speed on this thing. That's about it. Like I said, it's not the fastest car in the world. It's got a good turning radius. It does have all kinds of trim, so you can adjust the trim, throttle, and steering trim and stuff like that on the controller. Like I said, the lights actually work when you're turning left or right. Little blinker lights, which I think is pretty cool. The brake lights work. It's a pretty cool little truck. So let me set up the camera real quick. It's got some punch. Let me set up the camera real quick and we will do a little rock crawl in here. Okay, that should be about right there. You should be able to get a good look at it. There we go. Alright, so real quick top speed drive-by. There you go. That's it. It's a pretty cool little truck. I do enjoy it. Left, right. Alright, let's get some... It's got a good turning radius. It really is a fun little truck. I was playing with it with my son. We were having a blast with it. Trying to line up. I'm going to get lined up pretty good here. Yeah, that should be good right there. Alright, so... there you go. And then down here. And, alright, that one's moving a little bit. There you go. It's got a nice bit of torque. There you go. And let's see if we can do this going backwards. Oh, it's going to slip off. Reload it. Now the table, is not centered here. That's why this is kind of teeter-tottering. So it's not these stands itself, it's the table. But let's do a quick U-turn real quick. Let's see if we can go over these backwards and see what that looks like. Oh, boom! But as you can see, it's a cool little crawler, especially winter's coming up. Great little starter entry crawler for kids. Very affordable. Does everything else that the FMS crawler does for a fraction of the price. Let's take a look. Let's play with the suspension a little bit. Now, it'll end up tipping over once you get to a really high part of this. So they make this in... They make this in blue, black, and white. I like the blue one. The black one's pretty nice, and the white one's pretty cool too. There you go. Oh. There you go. Alright, let's try it on this side now. There you go. There's the suspension working. Oh, too fast. Try it one more time. I did it before on the other one. There you go. There's some heavy-duty suspension action for you. Look at that articulation. Out of a $100 crawler. Look at that. Pretty good. So, and oh, look at that. There we go. How cool is that? So yeah, this is a great little crawler. It's a great little starting crawler. We're also going to be offering these 3D printed obstacles on the website. You could buy them separately, and we'll probably throw in a couple of different ones, a couple of different designs as well for people who want a little bit more. But that's pretty much it. So this is the RCS24 from Racent. It's available on fpvbuildsrc.com, and they're going to be on sale starting November 5th on the website. So pick yourself up one while supplies last. We don't have a lot of them. We are getting some more cars and crawlers in, though, over the next month or so. And we're getting some surprise cars and trucks from different manufacturers that I can't talk about right now, but will be here in the future. So thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy, and have a great holiday.